welcome to all. In previous lecture, we studied about fixed plate. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about the force exerted by jet on moving plate in the direction of jet. Figure shows the jet of water striking a flat vertical plate moving with uniform velocity away from the jet. Let capital V is the absolute velocity of the jet, A is the cross section area of the jet, U is the velocity of the flat plate. In this case, the jet does not strike the plate with velocity V, but it strikes with relative velocity, which is equal to the absolute velocity of jet of water minus the velocity of the plate. In previous lecture, the plate is fixed, therefore the jet directly strike on that plate with the velocity v. But in this case, because the plate is moving and the velocity of this moving plate is small u, therefore the jet strike with this plate by relative velocity, that is v minus u. Therefore, the relative velocity of the jet with respect to plate is equal to v minus u, and the mass of water striking the plate per second is equal to rho a in bracket v minus u, because the jet of water strike the plate with the relative velocity, that is v minus u. Therefore, we can write rho a in bracket v minus u. Here the force exerted by the jet on the moving plate in the direction of jet we have to calculate. Therefore, capital F is equal to mass of water striking per second into initial velocity minus final velocity. Here the initial velocity is v minus u, because the jet of water strike with the plate is v minus u, and after striking the plate in the direction of jet, the velocity will be 0. Therefore, final velocity is 0. Therefore, capital F is equal to rho a in bracket v minus u. Initial velocity is v minus u, and after striking the velocity is 0. Therefore, final velocity in the direction of jet is 0. Therefore, lastly, final F is equal to rho a in bracket v minus u whole square. This is the force exerted by the jet on moving plate in the direction of jet. Now, the work done per second by the jet on the plate, we know the work done is equal to force into distance in the direction of force upon time. Here the distance in the direction of force upon time means small u, therefore W is equal to force into distance, that is u. Therefore, W is equal to, what is the value of F? F is nothing but rho a in bracket v minus u whole square into u. This is the work done per second by the jet on the plate, and the unit of this work done is equal to watt. Thank you all.